Hello, Boomi users. I'm excited to share some great new features and enhancements we've created in our latest June release. Starting out with API management, you can now import, build, and publish multiple responses for an API endpoint. This includes importing multiple response definitions from the OpenAPI specification file, defining response codes, output types, and output profiles for each response, and publishing custom responses as part of the generated OpenAPI specification. For Boomi AI, we've introduced the following enhancements to the Boomi Scribe AI agent, which generates documentation based on your integration processes. We've added the ability to export the documentation to a docx file by clicking the download button next to the response. We've also expanded each map step in the document to include additional attributes such as source object, source profile component name, target object, and target profile component name when the map step contains an XML or JSON profile. The following connector updates are coming your way as part of this release as well. For the database v2 connector, you can now limit the number of stored procedure objects returned during import by specifying a wildcard or string in the filter field. Google BigQuery connector now supports dataset ID as an extensible operation property for insert and upsert operations. And the Salesforce REST connector is now generally available. The files.com connector has been enhanced by introducing 9 new actions as well. For event streams, we have enhanced the token management in the environment settings. With this improvement, you can manipulate the name, expiration date, permissions, authorizations, and description of your tokens in one of 2 ways. Via the UI, you can create new tokens and search for tokens to edit, update, or delete. If you want to access via the API, you can now create new tokens, edit existing tokens, and delete tokens that exist. Last month for Flow, we introduced the new Flow tab within each environment, allowing you to run deploy Flow effortlessly. This month, we've added custom environments for seamless releases beyond the development, test, and production stages. As a reminder, we are retiring our legacy S3, PDF, and Azure connectors in Flow due to identified vulnerabilities, prioritizing your data security. So starting on October 1st, 2024, support for these legacy connectors will be discontinued and the functionality will no longer be available. For task automation, our no-code automation beta solution launched last month. Streamline your daily tasks and boost efficiency. Try it now via the services menu or via our homepage. In the integration runtime, we have 2 new public cloud options for customers needing greater performance and flexibility, but prefer to use a zero footprint runtime hosted and managed by Boomi. These new paid options provide a number of benefits, including increased governance limits, such as request rates to handle more integrations, additional Atom workers to execute more processes and APIs in parallel, production and test clouds available in North America, EMEA, and the APJ regions. To learn more about your Boomi hosted cloud operations, please be sure to contact your account representative. To help runtime administrators better manage system resources, you can now configure optional message rate limits for the Atom queue shared server. This rate limit governs the number of messages accepted by the Atom queue per minute, both globally for the entire runtime as well as per tenant for cloud runtimes. Additionally, Boomi will be setting this limit for all Boomi hosted public clouds to ensure quality of service for customers using our clouds. As always, we're very excited about all these exciting advances, and we hope you are as well. Your feedback is invaluable as we strive to make our product better for you. Thank you, and stay tuned for more updates in our next monthly release.